All right, welcome to this video walkthrough. 4-bed, 2-bath in kind of westish Brighton, right off of Commonwealth Avenue. So close access to the Green Line. And so you got a big foyer we walk into, closet to the right, coat closet right there. Beautiful hardwood, creaky floors throughout. Bedroom number 1, all right. Really good size windows. And this side is overlooking the driveway. This side is overlooking the porch right in front. There is a closet right there. Okay. And yeah, that's great. Should have really good sunlight here. So that is the foyer in the bedroom number 1. This is the living room area. Okay. So one thing definitely worth mentioning is that the heat and hot water are included. So that's always a huge plus. We have another closet over here, good size, very good size. And this is just a linen closet. It's not very big. There's a few shelves in there. I believe we're at bedroom number 2 over here. So we have a closet over here, really good sized closet there. And then we have this large bedroom. The windows are facing the side. So just to reference, this way is east and that way is west. All right, so really good size bedroom with a full bath right here. Okay, sink, toilet, and standing shower, and of course a vanity. All right, so this is the master bedroom. This is the second that we're looking at. And let's check out the third bedroom right over here. Some more hardwood floors. That door takes you to the rear of the building. Let's just check that out real quick. So, all right, you got a little porch in the back. And, okay, some windows facing the back of the side of the house. Closet right here, good sized closet. Let's see if we have a little peek right there. Yeah, not much of a view. It's pretty much a view of the building next door. All right, we're on bedroom 3. Okay, oh, the bathroom with some blue light. So, vanity, sink, toilet, and standing shower tub combo with a window over there. Okay, so let's head into the kitchen area. And over here we have a dining room, formal dining room, and a sort of like a breakfast counter-ish partition. We have a beautifully updated kitchen over here. Built-in microwave, electric stove, lots of counter space, dishwasher, stainless steel, fridge, lots of cabinets. And let's see what this is the, oh, okay, just another exit. Windows, yep, facing that big building next door. So lots of large windows throughout, which are great. Just tons of sunlight. You can picture it in the summer or during the day coming in. Now this is one of the more unique bedrooms. Bedroom number 4 has this kind of curved bay window action going on, and those windows are facing the I want to say side of the building. You do have a closet right over here, and lots of room. Each one of these bedrooms is a really good size. Okay. Yeah, so The heat and hot water is included, no broker fee. And if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out, angel@lmcrealtyboston.com. Happy hunting.